Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files using app called RAR on your Lenovo Legion. So the first thing we want to do is to find our file that we want to unpack, and in my case it's located in DCIM and camera. Here I have the picture RAR. So now to unpack it, I'm gonna press on it, and in this case I will need to enter the password. I know the password, and if you know as well, just type in your password and press OK. After that you will have the access to the files inside that RAR file or zip file, and you'll be able to unpack them. Now in order to unpack them, select the files that you want to unpack and click on this arrow pointing up. Now you'll be able to unpack the file and pick browse to set the location for unpacking, and in my case I'm gonna unpack them into the movies. Press OK when you're ready, and from here you can also change to few settings about unpacking this RAR file. And here you have the ask before override, override without prompt, or skip existing files. I'm just gonna keep it simple and select the first one. Keep broken files if you want, or do not extract paths. You can also display extracted files. So I'm not gonna keep any of this, and press OK when you're ready. So now these files just got unpacked, and I can go back to the movies and see the files right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.